मैले भर्खरै बनाएको छु। I just made. I just made. तिमी कहाँको हौ? Where are you from? Where are you from? तिम्रो नाम के हो? What's your name? What's your name? तिम्रो काम के हो? What is your job? What is your job? त्यसो भए म के गरौँ? So what I do? So what I do? मलाई तिर्खा लागेको छ. I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. तपाईँ कसरी गर्नुहुन्छ? How do you do? How do you do? मलाई एक हात दिनुहोस्. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. मेरो मतलब छैन. I do not mean it. I do not mean it. यो कतिको छ? How much is the it? How much is the it? तपाईँ कति वर्षको हुनुहुन्छ? How old are you? How old are you? तिम्रो सप्ताह अन्त कस्तो भयो? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? तिमीलाई के चाहियो? What do you need? What do you need? तिम्रो के विचार छ? What do you think? What do you think? मौसम कस्तो छ? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Where are you going? Where are you going? आफ्नो वाचा नभङ्ग नगर्नुहोस्. Don't break your promise. Don't break your promise. सबै राम्रो छ. Is all good. Is all good. तपाईँ के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing? What are you doing? मलाई थाहा छैन. I have no idea. I have no idea. म सहमत छु. I agree. I agree. म घरमा छु. I am at home. I am at home. यो साँच्चै समय लाग्छ. It really takes time. It really takes time. यो उत्तमको लागि हो. It's for his best. It's for his best. होइन, म चाहन्न. No, I don't want. No, I don't want. फेरि भेटौँला. See you next time. See you next time. तिमी मेरो अति मिल्ने साथी हौ. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. तिमीले सक्दो प्रयास गर्यौ. You tried our best. You tried our best. अङ्ग्रेजी सिक्न समय लाग्छ. It takes time to learn English. It takes time to learn English. यो फोन मलाई बम जस्तो महँगो छ. This phone cost me like a bomb. This phone cost me like a bomb. तपाईँ ढल्न सक्नुहुन्छ. You might fall. You might fall. शिक्षकहरू पढाउनका लागि हुन्. Teachers are meant to teach. Teachers are meant to teach. अङ्ग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई लाइक, फलो, सेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.